stream. Again, this is experimental. We apologize if there's anything that you don't like seeing. If there are any flaws, please let us know on Messenger. And if there's anything you want us to improve, we'll touch into that tomorrow on the next stream. And yeah, we'll be playing another round of Halo. Halo Infinite's the name of the game, and we're not that good at it.
You're not that good at it.
Yeah, that's true. If you're tuning in for the first time, TV5 is trying to create a new program. We chose this time to test to start this experiment because we didn't want to get in the way of most of the other programs, the films. It's more convenient if we start this late. And
Yeah, so today we'll be playing a bit of a Halo Infinite, as Aki said. I might have muted you, right?
mute. Oh,
you're already in this?
I'm in?
Yeah.
No, that's strange.
Alright.
Oh, yeah.
So today we'll be playing a bit of Halo Infinite, a bit about the program, not an experiment anymore. So this is our first week of trying to actually make it 11 p.m. And throughout next week we're going to be playing only through Tuesday and Thursday and make it part of our actual programming. Shifting TV to something more modern and content that's being watched all over the world. So today we are putting up our favorite Twisty brand. Twisties, cheese flavor is my favorite.
Oh,
What's your favorite Twisty flavor, man?
Twisties. Man, I miss those guys. I think my favorite one would be the new one, the new flavor. What's it called again? Sour cream and chives. Yeah, that's the one.
And I saw that they're going so much more expensive. Is it like $7.50 now for a pack?
I think so.
It's not a bad idea.
Yeah, but at least they got their nice size variety.
Yeah. Anyways, chat, we're going to start with something light. So we're going to start with a firefight just to, warm up the feels for the game. I don't think we're connected to the Ethernet cable yet.
Yeah, I don't think so.
We're going to see how long this is going to take because we haven't connected our consoles to the Ethernet cable, so we're just running off Wi-Fi. And
we're going. I might be stuck, but I don't know. Yeah, I don't think I'm there.
Yeah, how's your day today, man?
My day today, well, it's Wednesday, middle of the week. Just hoping it gets to Friday faster.
Yeah, no, that's right. It is Wednesday.
Yeah. Well, surprisingly, the week has gone by pretty fast.
Yeah. And I see we're on YouTube. So if you're watching from your TV or also on YouTube tonight, so we will be trialing out different ways to get this kind of content out there. So ideally, by next week, Tuesday and Thursday, we're going to be on YouTube and Twitch. I'm going to put my little internet for you.
Yeah, I've already connected it.
Oh, you got the cable?
Yeah, I've got the cable. You want to connect yours?
Nah, I'm fine.
Alright. I suppose it is just slow today. You're in. Oh, wow. It looks good. Yeah, I have no objections.
Oh, I just go to the part. Yeah.
Oh, so this is what you guys are saying.
Come on, shit.
Yeah. Honestly,
this was just so bad. Why must be so bad? Our studio is sort of surrounded by a lot of concrete, so it's really hard to get a signal into and out of the compound. But yeah. Oh man, we missed out on Icky, man.
Yeah, I'm still stuck on the waiting line, waiting to join.
Bro, there's just two of us. There's just two of us in this firefight.
Rest in peace.
Jump into a firefight yourself, Vix.
Oh, wait a minute.
Oh, nice.
Hold on. Oh, it's loading now. I'm almost on my way.
Nice. Yeah, but I don't see any.
Yeah. Look at that.
Dude, this
What pistols?
yeah, the pistol's so overpowered.
Oh, that's true.
Oh man.
What's this? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, yep, I'm on the way.
Nice.
Man,
I
feel
think
like
you remember
I'm-
the last person waiting on.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, those guys do so much damage, man. Like,
They're annoying, so they go around like flies.
yeah. So like if you can't catch this one, we also will be streaming through our YouTube on Tuesdays and Thursdays as well with some of our other staff, some of our other colleagues.
Hey, yep, I mean, I see you.
See,
Do you want to start a challenge for this one? For this round?
okay, if you die,
Yeah.
you have to spell. Dude, you're the last dead.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
No, just stay alive,
oh,
stay
I'll
alive,
just
just stay
here.
alive. Stay alive.
Yeah, we can lose a round, right?
Hmm?
We can lose a round.
Nah, man, I'm gonna come back. No, I don't even know how I died. I think I was just trying to put my fist up somewhere.
Yeah.
All the way in.
Somebody better come up here soon. No, no, someone else is up. I see you.
Don't be a coward.
Oh, wait, where
Don't be a
did I end
coward
up?
down there.
Oh, wait. Yeah, I'm still not good at this game. Yeah, I'm just terrible.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, wait, no, he ain't dead. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Oh my gosh.
Man. I'm so used to the damage done in COD.
Maybe, oh, like it's easy to kill them?
Yeah. Like a couple
Yeah,
of
man.
shots. But this one I use an entire magazine just to knock one down. And I can't go through there. I don't know. I'm pretty sure this is a capture the flag mission.
What, this one? No, it's like King of the Hills. You gotta hunt his own.
I don't know how about this pistol kills him faster.
Yeah, it does. Oh, I think so too. It's just.
Probably just a damage multiplier. Hey, what was the challenge
Wait,
again? What
so-
was the challenge again?
So we are watching my feed. So currently, we do have some technical issues getting Nikki's console in, but we try to alternate feeds throughout the weekend.
Oh. And there's a ship up here.
What's something interesting you saw today, man?
Interesting. I'm not entirely sure what categorizes as interesting.
You know, something that I've heard about.
Mm-hmm.
So apparently there was like this couple,
Oh.
and I don't know, like I might be like, you know, ruining the, I might be misinforming someone, but
Oh.
there's this couple that were doing this like work scheme to go overseas, and they collected like a bunch of people.
Oh.
So they're supposed to go work overseas,
Mm-hmm.
but they just left them stranded outside of some place.
Oh,
And that's pretty toxic.
yeah, that's
That's not cool, man.
That's not cool. People place a lot of their trust in, and people lose a lot of trust in society if they do that. Well, where'd you go? You guys already somewhere else?
Yeah.
Man, that's
The second round, man. But yeah, this is the warm up. So this is probably like the easiest game to get because it's
the warm one.
yeah.
Yeah, I should have kept the pistol. Right.
Wow, pistol to your face, man.
Mm.
Bam.
I really don't like the shield guys. They're very persistent. And
First one to die from now on has to make sound effects for their guns for a whole round. For a whole round.
yeah, that sounds like a very reasonable challenge.
Yeah. So if you die first between the two of us, You gotta make sound effects. But you're not allowed to hide.
Not allowed to hide. I ain't no hider. Where you at?
You see me.
I
I'm right next to you, man.
You ain't. You over there.
There's so many of these like little guys with shields, man. I find them so annoying.
Yeah, that's true. Why am I
You
getting
know,
shot
so
from
many of
behind?
my bullets.
People keep aiming from my back. Oh, wait, there's a very annoying guy over there. Another bunch of annoying.
So weird. What's that? Who took my kill? Oh,
Did you die?
someone took my kill.
Oh, other. Is that guy stuck? He's just bouncing. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. I'm being ganged up on.
Where?
Ah.
Oh!
Hey,
You're gonna do it.
This is unfair. Alright. Well, when I come back, 'cause I ain't got no sound effects for a gun I don't got. Ooh, Lucky's reviving me. You know what? The rule was to make sound effects for your gun.
When you shoot and when you hit, like when you attack. Yeah, so if you shoot or if you attack, you gotta make the sound effect, right?
Yeah, that's true. Where they at? I'll be throwing grenades.
You gotta make the sound effect of the grenade, man.
Wait, what? I
Yeah.
thought you said just guns.
Nah, man, come on, man.
Nah.
You're running the stream, Mickey. You're gonna cost us a sponsor, man.
Alright. No, the bylaws clearly state that the contract must be upheld to a certain degree of fairness.
You know what buy means? Like when you say buy law or something like that.
There are two laws or some sort of thing, right?
I was thinking maybe it meant like bipartisan. Is it like
Oh,
two
wow,
people
they're already here. And they're punches.
punches?
Punch. Ah! I died again.
No, why am I making the sound effects? I didn't even know.
Yeah, that's true.
Come on, man. Is you?
I think so.
Nah.
That ain't you. It was this weird W something. There you at.
You gotta make the sound effects, man.
Yeah, that's true. You have a fair point. But I ain't shooting.
Literally. So this is Icky in the green with the green name tag.
Oh. I fell down.
You're gonna cost the team, man.
Oh wait, they can't remind me, can they? Down here.
Yeah, so you're gonna have to.
Too bad.
Grenade, boy. Almost killed myself.
Well, the gun's damage is probably comparable to the pistol, correct? Those ones are
You got long, man.
Hey, would you look at that?
Oh, yeah.
Oh wait, no, it only applies to the first
Too good.
person. It only applies to the first person that died.
Come on, man, you gotta see. I'm following you.
Wait a minute.
Okay, let's go find Icky. Icky's in the green tag with the green name tag.
Hey, I'm trying to get
He's
there.
over here. Oh, even the game thinks you're.
Wait, what? Hey,
See the guy just punched in the face?
Pew.
You gotta keep going, man, the whole round. You gotta finish the whole round. You gotta go the whole round, man.
Alright.
Okay, you can stop. Alright, buddy.
I only know so many sound effects. Oh, lucky shots.
Wow.
Thanks, guy.
Wow, the what? Dude, that guy's not moving, man. The lucky shot's not bad, eh? He's actually.
Yeah, that's true. He's robbed me first time. Oh, this guy. Hey, wait a minute. I'm supposed to make sound effects. Alright, tell us. Sound effects.
Sound effects.
Bang.
Okay, I guess that. I make people leave the stream, man. Yeah, good show. I think we're heading into the boss round for this. For this one. So this is the second. No, this is the third one.
I think this is the one where the ships are allowed to come in or something. where am I? What do I do?
Oh.
This door ain't open. Oh, you guys are still here. Hey.
No, you're gonna make me go back to the screen. It's alright.
Oh, wait a minute. No, we can't. Oh, and I fell down again. You know, they really should close up these holes.
Let's see. Oh, leaderboard.
Oh, my kill count is low.
Score so much more than that guy's.
Oh, I'm not even half your mark.
So,
I think my kill death ratio is very, very high. I have not revived a single one. Lucky shots at number 1 with a kill count of 80. Oh, the sword. I can't pick up the sword.
well,
I got the sword. Oh yeah.
it's a game, man.
I ain't gonna die. You gonna die. Nope. Yeah, I'm gonna die.
What? This guy?
Yeah, he's very persistent. He hasn't died yet.
You know what my favorite thing to do? I just stand in these like little pools. Watch this. What should I do? These guys are here. So they're gonna spawn here.
Oh,
Spawn there. Whichever one.
defense.
Spawn. The backup is gonna come soon.
Oh, they're on the other side. Yeet.
Nice.
Yeet. I'm out of grenades. Oh, I'm knifing. Nice.
Bro, I love that.
We're not gonna lose this round. Probably. We're not gonna lose this round.
Oh my god,
Nice.
this guy's whole mag.
Nice. How much? This guy's shoes. Oh wait, no, I'm up. You know, I've always wondered, like, when I first started this game, if we could steal these guys' shields. I don't think that's possible, eh?
Nah, I don't think so too.
I don't know. Oh, wait. No, nice. One of my old favorite guns. But I don't know what this is called.
No.
That's my gun. Bang, bang.
Back there.
Where? Oh, no. I need another gun. Yeah, I don't have the right gun for this. Oh, this thing. I got it. I got you, bro. Oh, wait, this guy. Just shoot him in the legs. Oh, wait a minute. Hey, this gun's actually pretty good. I know it's burning up percentiles pretty fast. Bang.
Oh,
Nice.
manhandled that guy, man.
Nice.
I mean, that back's cracked. Let's crack this guy's back.
The
There we go.
I'm just looking for a different gun. This pistol ain't gonna last me long. Empty. Is there one more round?
around here?
Nice.
Man, we moved reverse through this fast.
Yeah, we're
I'm
going
trying to-
this time, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, is that guy's footsteps on fire?
Yeah, he probably pays for them. Probably doesn't lose the pay.
Yeah, that's
Pay
true.
to play.
It is.
Imagine paying to play a free game, man.
Oh, that's true. That is. I think it's a pretty. Wait, what's your opinion on that?
What?
When people that pay to play.
I think it's like I think if you really enjoy it, it's a hobby, then like why not? You know what I mean?
True. Ooh, I'm invisible.
But there's also like a oh my gosh.
I'm invisible, guys. You can't see me.
To do, man.
You can't see me.
But yeah, I think there's there's also like an ethical responsibility of developers and to make sure that the game is not so addictive that people spend like thousands of dollars on it. You can see this in games like Counter-Strike 2, where people would spend like hundreds of thousands on like camo for like knives. It's a big thing, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's
Like
true.
the knife camo market for CS2 is so it's crazy, man. It's like
Yeah, that's
hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Yeah, it's a waste of money.
I mean, like, you know what I mean? Like, is it a waste if it's like, if you're not enjoying, you know what I mean? Like, you're gonna, like, you know what I mean?
Yeah. I mean, if it helps you enjoy the game better,
Yeah.
it's considerable.
Well, but like, honestly, do you need it to like play the game?
No,
You know? Why does anyone do it? You know what I'm saying?
that's true. Ah. Why? Oh, I'm at the wrong place.
Yeah.
I blew myself up.
Oh!
Well, that got him. Is that me? Nice, thank you guys. Those are nice teammates,
I
right?
think the boss round's coming up, yeah.
Yeah, I just need to go collect the guns that I lost. Wherever they may be.
So,
There they are.
why didn't you come in the right uniform today, yeah?
Bang, 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 bang. Nope.
Oh, no, man.
Gravity hammer people. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang. Just punch them. Oh, shotgun. Sniper. You have my sniper. I don't see the hammer. Did you guys take the hammer? Oh, yeah, you did.
Oh, we got the most skill. Oh!
Wait, what happened?
How about that?
Nice.
How about that?
Yeah. 47. Wow.
That is the one damage. Yeah.
Yeah, it did look good. Don't not touch it. Testing. There's a severe delay. Either that or that live's just not caught up yet. That's fine.
So, a little word about our favorite twisties. What's, do you think cheese twisties the best twisties?
I'd say they're the most common. I mean, if you're like a vanilla guy, you like the originals.
Alright, let's get into some B2B.
Oh, that's true. But I wouldn't say the cheese ones are vanilla. They're pretty good for the most part.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just like, it's available everywhere, you know what I mean?
No, that's true. It's harder to find the varieties that you sell. What other flavors do they have? They have the cheese, they have the double cheese, they have the extreme cheese.
I think it's just one cheese, man.
No, there's like blue
Oh, the blue one,
the
eh?
blue package.
Yeah, there's the blue one too.
Yeah, and then there's the sour cream and chives. I think they have another flavor, but I don't remember it. I can't remember that last flavor.
Let's turn something up.
I don't think you can hear the sound of the game, can you?
Nah. We don't turn the movie now.
Oh. Oh, I'm stuck. Wait, no. Nope. It's still searching. You know, I only just found out that you could customize prosthesis on this.
Yeah, and you have like a mechanical arm and stuff like that.
No, I've just equipped on the right and left leg, right leg and arm. It's looking pretty good. In all honesty. AI model. These are pretty good AI models, I think. Let's go with this reload. Equip. I have equipped an orb as my AI butler. Or AI model. Prosthesis.
Yeah, man. I think it's such a good game, mate. Like, I think it's got so much potential to be, like, to do a lot. But I think when they launched, did they do it justice when they launched? Like, when it came out, it was extremely buggy. Like, the whole game was buggy. And they released like the campaign and the multiplayer separately for this game.
Mm-hmm.
So the campaign came out earlier. The campaign is so nice, man. Like, the world building of Halo in this game, they just went all out. It was like, it was nice. I wish there were more like towns, with like human civilization instead of like farms where you could go to like meet humans. You know what I mean?
If this program kicks off well, we might be able to try out the campaigning, because that's a separate package from the one we're playing right now.
Yeah, man.
This one is just the multiplayer version, I believe, and all the others, but it doesn't include the story mode.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice probability. It's a nice activity we'll probably do if this thing kicks off. Oh. Have I been playing a female the entire time? Yeah, it seems to be the case.
Man, this Wi-Fi. This Wi-Fi be taking too long.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's enough. Hey, we got it. And it's match starting in 1. And this is BTB, right?
Yeah, this is BTB.
Big team battle. Which one is your preferred one? This one. Hopefully it's not capture the flag again. We didn't do very well yesterday.
I need to cover hair.
Ah, haircuts.
Yeah, we need to go to the boys down at Homie.
What?
Homie Blends?
Oh, Homie Blends. Yeah, that's true. I think they're a new barbershop, right? Or are they old?
Yeah, they've been coming for a long time, but they've started to put up shop recently. They're on social media. They've got a website up as well. Shout out to them. Pretty good. Hey, man.
The first 100 kills to win in 15 minutes.
Nice buggy, bro. Like that's.
Is it supposed to be shaky? Alright, here we go. Contrast. We got Bumble. He's the second regular loser, 8-1. Hey, we played this guy before. That regular loser kid. The regular loser guy.
As a teammate?
Yeah. We had him as a teammate before in one of the other matches.
Kill everything that moves and try not to die.
Oh, wow. We got a trailblazer.
You get this one, you're gonna reverse it. Oh my gosh. If you make a kill, you gotta celebrate.
We gotta celebrate? Alright. I mean, I don't think I'll celebrate much, but...
Dude! Someone help me!
Nice. Oh, tank. We got a tank going up. Oh, someone took that. No, I missed it. I'm driving.
Oh, hell no.
Oh, wait a minute.
Bro, he won't me, man. Wait, why did he even stay there? I should have just moved.
I don't see anything. I can't see nobody.
Where you at?
I'm driving.
Hey, that's like probably the one worst compromise.
Really? That's good. Yeah. Jumping out. Where they at though?
So sometimes I just feel like people like want to. I feel like there's like heaps of games and stuff.
Oh, that is true. Yeah, but I can't complain if I can't kill at least 2 people. Where are they though? I haven't seen a single.
They're in the basement.
Oh, yeah, I see one. You were there though. Oh, I'm jumping there. Oh no. I need to go. What was that?
Power items.
1 second. Yep, I'm back. I can't figure out this map. Shut down. I probably need that anymore, but grenades.
Enemy shields down.
Definitely need that.
Ooh, this guy's. Oh, bro, can I see? Can I see? Oh, man.
Wow, terrible shot. Whoa, they came from behind. Ah, man, I'm treating this too much like
Behind?
Yeah. Oh, you got the rifle.
Power weapon inbound.
Yeah, watch this guy step out, boy. Where you going, boy? Where you going, boy?
Back in the
I'm gonna hunt this guy down.
Power weapon
He went
available.
that way.
Where?
I smell the ground before I. And he's. Oh my gosh.
Nice guys. Good guns. All the guns are nice, just not all of them are good. How large is this map? Okay, I can't tell if I was shoving the back or the front.
Oh, come here. Oh, man, what's that, man?
Yep, no, I was here before.
Oh, no!
What happened?
You come.
Where you at?
Yes, let's get some kills, boy. Let's get some kills, boy. Come on. Boom.
Oh, he's good.
That's it. Next one.
Whoa, that guy just... I don't know how he killed me in an instant. You're in the chopper.
Yep.
Nice.
Oh!
Enemy there.
Bro, I can't see him. Bro, I can't see him, bro. Where's bro going? Oh man, we need some audio for this stuff.
Yeah, that's true. No, it's supposedly being to hear the game. What's it up with again? Aerial scanning or something? Oh, I missed it.
I think the helicopter's on fire.
Oh, it's nice.
I'll take care of that.
Another one dusted.
Oh, wow, this guy's just standing here. So if you hit them from the back of their head, they die. Ah, how do you react so fast? I got too confident. I don't even know where my confidence came from.
Oh!
Sword.
Oh man, this guy's like the worst driver. I literally don't know what he's doing. Don't know what he's doing.
Oh! Can't be that bad, right?
Oh,
I mean, y'all managed to keep.
oh, I had this sniper ball get sniped on those banshees.
Oh, that's true. Oh, and this too. I don't even know who this guy is. This gun's better with headshots, right? Why? How did they get behind you? That is my real question.
Get from behind.
Yeah. Every single time I look away, they somehow found my back.
Power items available.
Oh my god. That's analyzed that clip, man. That was. Nah, tell them we're already in the lead.
Yeah, that's true.
We're like twice their points.
That's true. And
Wait, AK, I'm right behind you.
what do you do?
Let's go. Let's go this way.
Oh, no, that's not going to be back here anytime soon.
Do you have a sword?
Yeah, I got a sword.
Okay, how many?
I don't think I can.
What?
I can't do that.
No, come to the side. Let's go with my swords.
Yeet. Oh. Man, I keep missing it.
I'll be waiting for you. I'm right here.
Right here.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's get some kill. Where's the sword, bro?
It's true. Oh, wait, I see you. I found
circle around back and get that guy again, man.
Alright.
That was like,
Hmm?
oh, I got another sword, another sword.
I got shot right for a second. That hammer.
Your team has come
Oh.
out on top.
Oh, GG's.
Ah,
What a game.
just good game.
Should we do one more? We'll do one more BTB, then we'll clock off for tonight.
That's true. Hey, that's me. We make our own luck. Infinite. Operation Infinite. Challenge complete. Spartan Branch Management. MOAR score. What does that mean? More? Or back? Challenger complete.
Dude, I'm trying to get to Onyx A, but... Oh, no, dude, what happened?
What happened? Oh, you left. Oh, no, you're still here. I think.
Man, we still gotta clear the studio.
That's true. There's a lot of reorganizing left. Oh wait, yeah, you're gone. I'll just customize while I wait. It's very fun looking through these. That one's part of my ID. Voice print ones. No, I can't hear that. Silver team. Yeah, silver team's fine. Palette.
Did you read the news today? You've been doing the news today. Did you see that lady that was in a coffin and before she was cremated? She was knocking on her coffin.
Wait, what?
Yeah. It's like knocking on her coffin.
Oh wow.
It's crazy.
That's today's news.
Yep.
Jeez.
Sure is, man.
That's horrifying. I can't imagine going through something like that.
X, come and join you for God?
Oh, I invite you.
Pardon?
I invite you.
No, I really invite let me invite you in.
Alright. Yep, I see it. Should be there in a couple of seconds.
But yeah. Sorry guys, sorry chat. Probably not having the best energies right now, but try to be here every day this week, and then next week we're just gonna be on Tuesdays and Thursdays.
Tuesdays and Thursdays. Oh.
Okay, so this is what it looks like to customize like armor and little infinite. It's pretty cool because you so can have the game. I love all these different types of armors.
Oh, that's true.
I think it just like builds on top of the world building in the game. Like there's different marks. I think Master Chief is a Mark 2
I think so.
and the Mark 4 spawns.
Oh, I don't have any of those skins. I mean, I do have other skins, but I don't have those ones. Mark 4. Epic. Is this the one that you're using? Oh yeah, that's the one. Mark 4.
Yeah. Which one do you have right now?
I'm using the one that I started with. I don't remember the name.
This one's my go-to though, bro. Look how sick that one looks, man.
Yeah, that's true. Those look pretty cool. Especially with the yellow and black mix.
Someone just texted me. They want to join.
Oh.
Nah, man. Not allowed to join.
Oh, I'm gonna go Japan style. I mean, if I can. Oh, I can. Nice. I got a free armor. I wonder if I can change the color palette. Oh wait, no, we're about to go up. We're about to go. Yeah, it's too late.
Capture the flag.
Oh, capture the flag.
Capture every
That's what I've
flag
been
with
waiting
the
for, man.
We're gonna we don't do very well there. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the one thing we are the worst at. Well, at least me.
Oh man, you gotta have some bait, man.
Yeah, you know. Oh, we got some pretty cool looking teammates. Oh, everybody flexing the new camos and all that. I come in with a preset. Oh no, our first teammates are pretty good. Oh,
Yes,
oh,
though.
nice. Oh, Fiesta, I love that. Oh wait, no, this doesn't have infinite ammo.
Nah, so you get loaded with different guns.
Oh, I'm gonna drive. Anybody gonna be able to pick me up? Because so we can't really drive if we have the flag, right? But we can ride.
Yeah. You can buy like specific cars. So the car you're in right now, it's called the Chopper. Oh, I can't see me, man.
Well, I don't know how I died in an instant. What kind of gun kills you in an instant?
Shut
Has your
down,
flag.
hold down,
Have eyes
held
on the
down,
enemy flag
touchdown.
What shot me?
have our
Literally, I was
Get out of here,
away
boy.
for a second.
reveal.
Where's the flame? Oh, where's the chopper at, man? Where's the chopper? Let's go. No, bro, why don't jump out? Why don't jump out though?
Oh wow, what kind of gun does this guy have?
Chat, this is what it looks like to have the flag, chat. This is what it looks like to paint the. Oh my god.
What is it?
Oh, wait, I have the flag. Take me back.
You don't know what you're gonna do. Hey, that's my teammate.
We
He's
have
got
eyes on
scrolls
the
for
enemy
feet.
flag carrier.
So, if you capture the flag in your run,
Mm-hmm.
oh, that's my flag.
We took our flag.
Captured.
Do we have their flag?
Yeah.
Nice. Sure. I don't know where I'm going or what I'm doing, but I'm gonna do something.
No moving hostile.
How? Where?
Movement on good.
I do not know how they see me or how they're shooting at me. Because that's a very large question I have right now. I don't think so.
Yeah, nah. That's the chat. That's the chat. So, one assist, one kill, and one capture.
I haven't even shot at anybody.
Tell them where you at, X.
I'm on the other side. Oh, capture. Their flag's over there this time. Why? It's further than the first time.
Because we captured it the first time.
Alright.
X, come here.
Wait. I'm gonna push my luck. And die with dignity. How is he able to shoot me from the other side? Either he's a very good. Yeah, these guys are just very used to the game. I'm still new. How am I supposed to
Stay.
Weird. You got some real good guns. Oh, Ghost. I'm driving Ghost. Yeah, the Ghost is dead. The Ghost is dead.
Let's go in, man.
I am about to die. Oh, nope. Nice. I don't know if I killed that person or if I assisted, but I am glad for the sacrifice. Hey, nope, that's a good person.
Me and Zeman are down here, down the base.
Oh, I just noticed I had this. Why isn't this gun? The gun is not very invisible.
Yeah.
Does it only work with the human stuff? I think they see a floating gun or something.
Nah, they don't. But I'm looking for that.
Oh, maybe it's not a camera. I'm running around with a shield. Hey, that's the guy that shot me.
The enemy has your flag.
Nope, it's right there. Nice. Oh wait, I'm back. Where you at, bro? They missed the kills.
Tweak it out, man. Tweak it out.
Hey, what's your flag? I don't see. Oh, there he is. Nice. Everybody's
Do you
trying.
wanna wasp mix?
A wasp? Nah.
Dude, how on these graphics?
Yeah, that's true.
I mean,
It's pretty cool.
like the Oh. Dude, I got too close. I swear. Fucking just too.
I have not killed or assisted in any way. Oh, I got a pistol. I got 2 pistols. Alright, this game hates me or something else.
Thanks, where you at?
Right behind you. Am I even able to take this? Yep.
Enemy returns their flag.
What's over there? What's over there? You see?
Just people. People being people. Nope, I'm being kicked out of my car. Man, they always moving squads. I mean, that's a good thing, but
That's why I was saying to come with me.
yeah, that's true. I'm gonna stay with you. You know, power numbers and all that. Hey, I got a sword. I'm gonna see if I can catch up with you. I got a sword. Yes.
Why did I change the gun?
What?
Why did I change my gun? Why did I change my gun?
Yeah.
I swear he was done.
Hey, I'm pretty sure I slashed that guy. No, I'll revive him for a second. I'll see if I can catch up to you. Hey, I got a hammer. Nice. I got only melee weapons. I don't know how to feel about that.
That's not bad.
Yeah, that's true. One's a pretty wide area effect, and one's pretty strong. Oh, they're both one shot, right?
Sure.
The melees.
Enemy shields down.
But one's slow, and the other one can attack. Like it's faster. You can attack like one person.
Sniper. I'll give you the sword.
Yeah, they're here.
Nice. Where you guys? You just disappeared.
Down here.
Enemy there.
Oh wait. Defend.
I have a long range on.
I got a sniper. I ain't gonna do much. I'm gonna be very.
Oh, shoot that guy. This guy, man, with this.
It's an invisible guy.
Take the flag. Take the flag, boy. Take the flag, boy. That's what I'm saying. No, I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
But yeah, there was a guy here, definitely. I don't know where it is. 80% left on my sledgehammer. Oh, what happened?
That's crazy.
What do you do?
That's crazy.
How is my shield gone? Unless this is like an EMP kind of thing.
Over shield available.
Not what I'm expecting it to. Hey, we got 2 on 1. Nice. I'm not gonna overestimate myself for travel so far.
Oh, that is.
I'm not gonna overestimate myself.
Air delivered.
That's all I'm saying.
Just yeah. Nice. Hey, oh wow. The moment I turn my back, they shoot me. The moment I turn my back, after that it doesn't my top of the
Let's go, man.
Oh, what's this thing do? Oh. There's a very nice car here.
What?
I mean, it's almost blown up.
No, man, you gotta get out of
It's a
there.
good car. Hey, man.
Power weapons.
6 seconds. There it is. Man, these guys are really good jumping. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold on. What's here? I have no idea. What's this thing? It's like a radar thing. Oh, yeah, that's interesting. Anybody gonna capture their flag?
Their flag.
Or I find it more fun to defend it.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, there's a person.
Don't go.
I killed him.
No, wait. Oh, nice. No, you didn't.
My first kill. It's not my kill. Oh, wait, no, it is. It is. I have a kill. honest, I really started to like this shotgun.
Active camo.
Yeah, you got
inbound.
something that looks a lot like the shotgun. It's pretty good.
See.
5 minutes remaining.
Where you at? Oh, in fact, I'm gonna fly. You wanna fly? Anybody wanna ride? Anybody know how to fly? I don't know how to fly this thing.
Let's go. It's a lot. Come right down. Sorry.
Hey, there's space. There's always space on the front.
Right there. Shoot that guy. Right there.
Yes. I can't see. Yes. Oh, wait, you left the chocolate, didn't you? Wait, where am I?
Rolling down.
I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Oh, there it is.
Rolling down.
There it is. Oh, wow, I came out with a hammer and knew I was there somehow. Damn. I'm
Enemy
back.
there.
Oh, this seems to be focusing on defense now.
Nice.
Our team took the enemy flag.
I'm gonna see if I can come over. Heck no.
That's right, boy. That's right. Oh man, it was the chopper that killed me.
Oh. The healing guns are a lot more effective than the alien ones.
Yeah, sometimes. Like, especially you see, like, if they have like a yellow name, it's like a rare gun.
Oh. Like it's been enhanced or something?
Something, yeah.
Nice.
Power
I
item.
got me a skewer that seems to have been modified.
Let's get it. Oh, fuck, this guy sucks, man. Shot that.
I'm trying to figure out how to get up there. Oh, I think I found my way up. Hey, someone's already got it.
Look, the flag.
Yeah, someone's already got the flag.
Oh,
Capture
GG's.
the flag.
GG's in the chat.
Nice.
Alright, yes, thank you guys for watching our stream tonight. Thank you for partaking in this little trial and error, trial that we've been running. Test streams over the past 2 weeks. We hope to continue these for the next 2 days, and then we will be on a proper schedule from December, January, and early Feb for Halo Infinite, and then later on Star Wars Battlefront 2. If there are any ways or comments you might have that we can, take in to improve this program, do let us know through our Messenger, or you can type into our YouTube live stream, because we are live currently. But anyways, without further ado, we're gonna clean up and head back home before we come back for the morning program. So yes, if it's your first time watching TV5, we have a very live morning program with our other two hosts, Fono and Mark. So we will be also experimenting on other ways to make the program more lively. Do feel free to tune in if you have the time or if you're interested. We are also making like public calls to call other people while they're on like public transportation and stuff like that. And aside from that, we start every day with morning devotion with a fresh word from the Bible, delivered to you by our church members, UCCS. So yes, I think that's it from me and Nikki tonight. We will catch you guys again, same time tomorrow on Game On. Easy.